Hello, I'm Soumya Baswant from District Hospital Alibag. Here today we have been sent from our institute to get some more updated knowledge in our day-to-day practices. So it was amazing as of like एक दिन का session में इतना सब कुछ सीखना and like it was not at all boring. The all over the faculties was amazing and the two coordinators who taught us the whole thing for the today were amazing and genuine, kind. I can say all of it. There were no like as we there are the things for like the normal people perception is like agar government mein hai so it's okay, they don't need to update their knowledge or whatever the thing is, like many of the people think like this, but as this has been initiated in a government faculty, it's like highly recommended. We as a government employee wants to know more about this, and as I personally believe like it will always enhance to give like appropriate and more skillful skillful what we say practices to our patients and good hygiene and good health to them. That's all I can say, and thank you IMAS for this amazing session.